Hey everyone, welcome back to ByAmbition. In this video, I'll show you how to enable cross-site tracking in Safari on a Mac. This setting allows websites to track your activity across different sites for things like ads and personalization. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open up Safari on your Mac, which I already have right here. Step 2. From the menu bar at the top, click Safari, then select Settings. Step 3. In the Settings window, click the Privacy tab. Step 4. Look for the option that says Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. Step 5. To enable cross-site tracking, uncheck the box that says Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. Step 6. Once the box is unchecked, close the setting windows to save your changes. And that's how you enable cross-site tracking in Safari on a Mac. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to ByAmbition, and I'll see you in the next one.